We will take a quick look at Intel Celeron 3755U, the Broadwell U series processor that is launching in January 2015. Broadwell is a successor to the Haswell line of processor, and basically we have improved process where the Intel improved from 22 nanometer to 14 nanometer. So basically it reduces the, the node distance, and the Intel can now fit in more transistor in a given die size. Uh, for the first time, Intel uses a FinFET technology, which will not only reduces the power consumption, it takes smaller area for a given volume of for a given distance between two nodes. Um, the the processor side also sees slight improvement in its architecture. We have slightly improved branch prediction, bigger buffer size, and these things basically improve the processor performance by 5%. We also have a new instruction set for cryptography that software can take advantage of it. And coming to the specific 3755U, it's a dual core processor and does not support hyperthreading. That we see a support for hyperthreading in Core i3, and of course Core i5 and board they also have turbo clock support. But Celeron 3755U, it's an entry level processor, low cost, and it's good enough for web browsing, Facebook and word editing and so on and so forth, but not great for maybe gaming or maybe doing some software compile and all these things. In terms of clock frequency, it's 1.7 gigahertz, moderately high. We have other processor in Celeron 3205U which clock at 1.5 gigahertz. So 3755U should be just decent enough for a quick boot and a little faster than 3205U, but of course a slightly not ultra low cost, but still manageable. Intel it's a low power processor, as we said. It takes 15 watts, so it's still good enough for thin laptops. Uh, as we said, it's a 5% processor performance improvement. You should not see significant improvement in the processor performance over the Haswell. But if you look at the graphics, Intel has done some substantial amount of work in Broadwell. We have support for DirectX. For the first time, Intel is catching up with AMD. We have support for the DisplayPort, nice for 4K and larger resolution display, and also it movement of data over the display port. For example, USB 3.0 can flow onto the display port, and we do not expect the games to be playable still, but it's good for except for very low settings, but we do expect that the display to be smooth. Intel has what is called an HD graphics with 12 execution units, and we expect it to be substantially faster in its Haswell counterpart. Also, they also call the Haswell counterpart the HD graphics, no specific name, but that has 10 execution units. So from 10 to 12 execution, that itself brings 20% performance improvement. But we also have some other performance improvements in per execution unit. So you should see something around 30 to 40% performance improvement in 3755U. We do not yet have the benchmark numbers and other details, but you can follow the description and you will have more updates on it in the links in the description. Thanks for taking a look.